I want my money back. I paid for a service.
It's too late now, my friend, because look,
What do you mean too late now?
it's too fucking
Where's
late.
the other guy?
All day long.
Who's the manager?
Me.
You're the manager?
Yeah.
Okay. Who do I complain to? What's your process for complaints?
Whenever you want to complain.
Why do I complain?
Call the company, email the company. Say, look,
I want my money back. I paid for a service.
it's too late now, my friend, because look,
What do you mean too late now?
it's too fucking
Where's
late.
the other guy? My friend.
Horrible. Stop
No.
that. Don't talk to him. Don't talk to him. Let him say that.
I paid for a service.
Full neutral,
Yeah.
no brake, no handbrake. I leave the car to
I paid for a service for him to wash the windscreen and
Wash
everything.
it just in the back. Company wanna that I do it.
Why is he talking like that?
Because
Why is he talking like that?
My friend, looking to drive.
No. I'm not gonna be spoken to like that. My friend, he spoke to me very rude.
Okay, I apologize.
No, he needs to apologize.
No, but
You know what? I'm coming back for
full
this.
neutral. My friend, full neutral. My friend, no drive.
And I got the whole thing recorded. Your language telling me to fuck off and everything. Got the whole thing recorded.
My friend, full neutral. Neutral, no parking. My car's with you. No brake, no handbrake, no nothing. Okay? No.
Now,
It's too fucking
where's
late.
the other guy? Now,
It's too fucking
where's
late.
the other guy? Now,
It's too fucking
where's
late.
the other guy?